What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and the bike back here with another video. Today I'm going to answer the most asked about question when anybody sees my bike. Are ape hangers comfortable? And should you get ape hangers for your bike? Now, without further ado, let's get right into today's video. This is my 2012 Dyna Fat Bob. We have a couple things done to this bike already, one of those being the ape hangers. This did come on the bike when I got it, but my point is that they're not stock. I believe these are 14-inch extended ape hangers. So here's a POV on the bike. You guys are at my face level, and my arms are about shoulder height. Since I'm a taller guy, sitting up straight, honestly, they're pretty comfortable. Now, it can get difficult when I have a backpack on or something else weighing me down, kind of pulling me back. Part of that is because I don't have a backrest, but most of that is because of the handlebars. Now, I have ridden this a total of an hour straight, I would say, with a backpack, and it started to hurt my lower back for sure. Riding around without a backpack, without any weight, they're really not bad, and they're honestly quite comfortable, especially when we're just cruising this thing. Now, I don't really get on it with this thing too much. This is a stance bike. I'll get into that in the future as to why I think this is a stance bike, but honestly, the handlebars are pretty comfortable. Most bobbers you see, or a lot of bobbers you see, will come with ape hangers, or if you're going for that bobber look, ape hangers are essential. A lot of bobbers also come with like a lower cafe racer style handlebar, or just dirt bike MX style handlebars as well. And while I do think those are great options, you just don't get the look that you get with ape hangers. Now, that's the main reason why you're gonna get these. There's no performance aspect, there's no comfort aspect. It's just because of how it looks, and to me, it looks pretty fucking badass. You're going down the road on this bike with these handlebars, you're gonna have much more of a road presence, which is very important on a bike than you would any other bike. This is crazy. You don't normally see this. These handlebars will catch your eye, and you know, a lot of times that's not a great thing, but it most definitely can be when you're on a bike. Here are a couple things that you should consider before getting ape hangers for your bike. If you are a shorter person, if you have shorter arms, tall ape hangers like this aren't gonna be as comfortable for you as it would be for a taller person. Now, you can get different sizes, different heights of ape hangers, which I would most definitely look into. The second thing not a lot of people think about is you are gonna have to run extended lines. We got our throttle control cable, we got our brake, we got our clutch lines. All of these are aftermarket along with the bars. If you could imagine regular handlebars somewhere in here, the lines are going to be about half the length of the ones that are on these ape hangers. So on top of the bars, you are going to have to get extended cables and lines. Now, when I first got this bike, the bars were leaned pretty far back. I'm assuming a shorter person owned this bike before me, but when I got on it, I could really feel like something was off. I want to give a huge shout out to Dawson for letting me know to move the bars forward, which before I was really just holding on for dear life, kind of leaning backwards. That's part of the reason why my lower back hurt in the beginning of owning this bike, but after I've moved them up and forward, I'm in a more upright position, leaning more on the bars and taking a little bit of that stress off my lower back. So, would I get ape hangers again for another bike in the future? That depends. If I built another bobber or wanted to buy another bobber in the future, I probably would. This bike isn't meant for touring, it's not meant for going fast, it's a stance bike. So it's time for you guys to decide. What do you guys think about ape hangers? Do you like them? Do you like the way they look? If you've ridden a bike with them, what do you think? How does it feel when you ride them? If you had a bobber or a bike that you could put ape hangers on, would you? Let me know down in the comments below. This has been Fitz and the bike, back here with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, concerns down in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.